Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PLX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. Think does a good job telling where levels of support and resistance are at. And rough day today, actually had a very respectable bounce. I mean, to think that at one point the price was all the way down there and then it managed to fight its way all the way back up to there. But then the final hour of the day occurred, and that all those gains were wiped away. And not only were they wiped away, it actually went further downwards and closed at the low of the day. So overall, just a rough period of time here, but we'll map out a couple of key levels. So the first level, if this has any sort of chance of getting turned back around, is going to be in regard to the 25-cent mark. 25 cents is just important because that was an area of support, going pretty much all day long until the final 30 minutes. But now that the price has been violated, and this is just a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So with any sort of bounce back to the upside, 25 cents is going to be that first key level that'll need to be cleared up above. And if the price can then push through 25, next key resistance after that, right up there at the 28-cent mark. So again, resistance-wise, 25 and then 28 going into tomorrow. As far as levels of support are concerned, I'm not sure if the price has ever been down this low before, so I'm going to go to the weekly chart here so we can really take a long look back into the history of things. Yeah, so this may be all-time lows. Yeah, I mean, we're literally going back years upon years. So right now the price is at all-time lows. So on that note, so you can see right here, this is the daily time frame just showing, the price just individually, but we'll go back to the 30-minute right there. So as far as next potential areas of support are concerned, oops, let's try that again. And this is just called Fibonacci extensions. So they're not anything magic. It just helps to give an idea of where things may be when the prices are at all-time lows. So if this level right here at basically 23 cents cannot hold, then again, no such thing as a guarantee. But if 23 cents doesn't hold up, then down around 20, 19 cents very well could be a possibility. Not saying that's happening tomorrow within the first 10 minutes, but just and the way the Fibonacci extensions work, they're just taking how the price has moved and then they're projecting it forward, extending it forward. So with that in mind, it's looking like 20 cents very well could be around the corner, but we'll see if the price can try to stabilize out here or not. But overall, rough day. But the interesting part about these is they can produce some pretty interesting snapback bounces. So we'll see if something like that occurs or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.